videos about how I'm planning my wedding during a pandemic. 2020 has been a very trying year for everyone in every aspect, and a lot of couples had to postpone their weddings for next year. My wedding date is December 19th, so we thought that we would wait until a month prior to that date to decide what we were going to do, because our wedding is a very small wedding. We always wanted to do it very, very small and intimate, so we are not doing it in a venue or anything like that. Luckily, we are going to be able to get married this year because it is so small, and because here in Argentina the city halls have just opened and you can get married now. So we were able to book a date, and we are planning. We are on the home stretch. We are counting down the days now, because today is December the 1st. So I am planning everything myself. Everything is going to be handmade or bought by myself. I thought that today I would show you what I got for the wedding, some of the decorations and that sort of stuff. I bought some other things, but I don't have them here, so I'm going to show you what I got in the mail the other day. I found this company through Instagram, and I had a great experience. Everything came perfectly. It was very, very, very carefully bubble wrapped, so I'm very happy about that. We also got things like plates and cups and straws and things like that, because we thought it would be safer to just have everyone have their own plate and fork and stuff like that, and then throw them in the trash instead of washing them, because that way we can minimize the risk of getting COVID-19, and also that way it's easier later for the cleanup. I know it's not the most nature-friendly thing to do, but it's a very special and particular year, so that's why I'm choosing to do this. Everything anyway is made of paper, and the forks are made of bamboo, so everything can be recycled, so that's great. Without further ado, I will show you what I got. Okay, so when I open the box, the first thing I get is a sticker and a postcard. Also, I got a reusable bag from the company, so that's always great for shopping. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I pulled first from the box. The first thing is this flower pot kind of thing. I thought that I would put the straws in one part and the forks in the other, and this is made of blackboard actually, so you can write whatever you want. I'm going to write forks and straws, or help yourself, or something like that. As I mentioned, we also got bamboo forks for the cake. I think that's really great that the company sells this instead of just plastic forks. We got some iridescent straws. I think they are really pretty and shiny and bridal. Great for a wedding. We also got many of these rose gold star garlands, and I thought it would be very pretty to decorate like the garden and the porch and everything like that. The only downside is you have to pull the string through the holes yourself, but I mean, if you're patient, you can do it, and I think it will look great in the end, so it's worth it. We also got LED lights for the garden and the house. I got a 5-meter one and a 3-meter one. I cannot find the other one. The only weird thing is one needs batteries and the other one has a USB cable, but I don't know why is that, but we will work with that. I also got these to cut and serve the cake. I thought this was really cute because it has cake engraved on it, and also it's a keepsake for later, so after a wedding I can always have this and remember that day. We also got some confetti balloons. You have to put the confetti yourself. I don't know how I'm going to do that, so if you have any suggestions, please write them down below. But I think this will look very pretty for pictures and stuff. We also got this to go with these balloons. This one is that, you know, those balloons that have like the numbers and letters that are very, you know, you see them everywhere. This one says love in cursive. I think it's really pretty. It's rose gold as well, and I will insert a picture somewhere here so you can see how it looks once it's set up. We thought that we would give the guests the choice to, you know, pick up a straw or use a cup, and the cups we got are my favorite part of this haul. They are a very, very, very light pink. I don't know if you can even see the pink, with some gold accents, and it says Magic Day, so I think they are really, really pretty. We also got some paper plates. They are pink with gold. I thought this would be lighter like these cups, but we will work with that. I still think they are pretty and they will look good with our color palette. And last but not least, we got some pastel color napkins, and they have this finish here, which I think it's very unique and pretty, and it has silver accents. So this is everything I got. We also got some other bits and bobs in other places, like we got some pillows and we got some blankets, because my idea is to have a picnic wedding. Got some baskets for the picnics. So if you want to see that, let me know down below. And if you want to see other videos of me planning my wedding during a pandemic, subscribe so you don't miss them. And thank you very much for watching. See you next one. Bye.